What's up, guys? My name is Aubrey, and today I'm gonna open the Fashion Fidgets series, a fantasy series, and it's all about mermaids. And it's created by Mrs. Bench. So let's open it up and see what I have inside here. Okay, so we have her. Look at this. She clicks. She's doing this. And look at her. She clicks. And here is a bluer mermaid tail with spins and yeah, like this. So you can do this. Yeah, she looks like a mermaid, I think. And her tail spins like this. So here's the popping bubble wrap. And there's the collector's guide. And this is polished Pat. So there she is with her spinning thing, the collecting thing, the tube tail, and her spinning tail. And I got red ruby. See? Yes. Yeah, and here it is the fidget trading, also known as Caballeros, that means let's trade, also known as Sesamos Amigos, that means let's be friends in Spanish. Yeah, I was trying to be watching the F1 British Grand Prix, but there she is. That's her. Her pop tube and her spinning tail. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, and that is it for this box and a pop full of bubble wrap. So, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe right now on Christine Tuttle, or is that Chris Tuttle for today's date? And it's actually Chris Tuttle for today's video. So yeah, see ya, bye. See ya, bye.